In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search better in Notion. If you work in Notion a lot, mastering search is the fastest way to jump to the right page, database item, or note without breaking your flow. We'll keep this simple and effective so you can use it right away. First, open Notion and bring your cursor anywhere inside the app so it's active. Now, press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. This opens Notion's Quick Search, a lightweight panel that sits on top of whatever you're doing. It's designed to be fast and global, so you don't have to remember where a page lives or click through your sidebar. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work at first, make sure Notion is the focused window and try again. On some systems, the shortcut may be reserved by another app. Closing conflicting apps or retrying after a second usually resolves it. With the search panel open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in the search bar. As you type, results update in real time. You'll notice items from across your workspace appear: pages, nested subpages, and database entries. Notion highlights the places where your terms match, which helps you quickly confirm you're on the right track. A few tips make this step much more powerful. Start with one or two distinct keywords instead of full sentences. Short, specific terms. Surface results faster. If you know part of a page title, type that first. Searching is not case sensitive, so don't worry about capitalization. If you need to be precise, wrap an exact phrase in quotes to narrow results to that wording. You can also type words that appear inside database properties, like a status label or a tag, because Notion indexes many common property values alongside page content. If you don't immediately see a brand new page, give it a moment. Fresh content may take a few seconds to index. When you get too many matches, refine your terms by adding a unique word rather than more generic ones. And if you're unsure of spelling, try a shorter piece of the word. Partial matches often still bring up what you need. As you type, you'll notice recent or frequently opened items float to the top. That's expected. Notion factors in recency, which often helps you land on the right page even faster. You'll also see a short preview snippet under many results so you can confirm context at a glance. That's all there is to it. Use Ctrl plus P to open Quick Search, then type smarter in the search bar with focused keywords or exact phrases. With a little practice, you'll move through your workspace in seconds.